Understanding capital city in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term capital city. This is a common phrase used in geography, politics, and daily conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. A capital city is the city where a country's government is located. It's often the center of political power and sometimes also a cultural, economic, or historical center of the country. Capital cities are important because they house major government buildings, like the President's House, Parliament, or Supreme Court. Examples include Washington, D.C. in the USA, London in the UK, and Tokyo in Japan. Most capital cities share some common characteristics. 1. Government buildings. These are places where the country's important decisions are made. 2. Historical significance. Many have historical monuments and museums. 3. Cultural importance. Capitals often host cultural events and festivals. 4. Economic centers. They are usually economic hubs, with businesses and organizations. Capital cities are important for several reasons. They are the symbol of a nation's identity, serve as a location for political events and decisions, act as a hub for international relations, often represent the country in terms of culture, history, and economy. Here are some examples. The capital city of France is Paris. When visiting a country, many tourists start with its capital city. The government plans to move the capital city to a more central location. I hope this video helps you understand the term capital city better. Remember, it's more than just a place, it's a symbol of a nation's heart and soul. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.